On today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a new memory card into your camera and format it just as if you bought a brand new one and got it out of the box. So when you buy one, you want to make sure it's fast enough to hold the media and it's big enough to handle all the files that you're going to put on it. If you shoot WAV, then you're going to need a bigger memory card to hold more data, basically. If you shoot WAV plus JPEG, you're going to need a bigger memory card to handle all this. Also, you will need a memory card fast enough for the media so you don't max out your bus. So what I like using is the ScanDisk Extreme Pros. They budget friendly, kind of. I mean, this is 64 gigs, and I don't shoot a lot of photos, but I do shoot a lot of videos, and they do just fine. I probably can shoot quite a bit of photos. I mean, it might not be to some people extremely a lot of photos. I mean, I know some people shoot 300-400 photos at a time. I might shoot 30 to 40. This does 64 gigs has always done me good. Another subject for another video. Shall we get into how to install this? The first thing you want to do is make sure your camera is completely off. Depending on your camera will also depend on the memory card location. This is a T7i Canon and hits on the side. Some cameras do come with dual memory card slots, but this one is a single slot camera. Now what you will do once you open your new ScanDisk is take it out of the box and insert it in. If it does not mash in easy, then you have it put in upside down. You want to change that because you can put it in this way and it will not mash down. So do not force it. It should go easy and it should latch once all the way down. You can hear the sound. Then put your top over it. Once you did that, you can turn your camera on. This camera does have a LCD. Let's flip it over. Turn this on. I do need to clean this. Whoops. Once in the menu, you can go to function settings. Depending on the camera, it could be in a different location. But here on the first page, we got format card. Let's go here and let's just do a new format on this card. Boom, that's how simple it is. So it's pretty simple to install a memory card into your camera, especially a new memory card. That's what this video is basically based on. A new memory card you might get out of the box. So if you found it helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. If you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, appreciate you watching this video. And don't forget, daily content, 5 p.m. Eastern, every single day. And I'll see you next time.